Hi, I'm Chef Nikki Shaw, featured chef for Cuisine Noir magazine, and we are partnering with Tony Chachere's. And today we are making a delicious Creole Shrimp and Bacon Bisque. So let's get started. First, I'll add my olive oil to my pan. Now I'll add my bacon right into my pan. All right, our bacon is nice and crispy. Now I'll transfer it to a paper towel. Next, I'm gonna add my raw shrimp right into the same pan that I fried my bacon in. Next, I'm gonna add my Tony's spice and herbs seasoning right on top of my juicy shrimp. Now I'll saute my shrimp. Let this cook just for about 2 minutes total. We don't wanna overcook our shrimp. All right, my shrimp is done. I'm gonna add it to the bowl and set it aside just for a little bit, and we'll come right back to it later. This pan is filled with flavor because I have my bacon fat and I have the juice from the shrimp. So that's double flavor. Now I'll add my onion right to the pan, and I'll saute my onion for about 5 minutes until it's golden brown. Next, I'll add my fresh crushed garlic and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. I'll let this saute for about 2 minutes. Everything looks good. I've got my onions, garlic, thyme in the pan. Next, I'm gonna add my fresh corn right on top. Then I will add my chicken stock. That sounds good. All right, next is my half and half to make it nice and creamy. Now I'm gonna add even more flavor and add my Tony's spice and herbs seasoning, about 1/2 teaspoon, and about 1/2 teaspoon of my Tony's pepper sauce. All right, that is it. We will let this simmer for about 15 minutes, and while this is simmering, I'll grab my blender. So my first step is to remove my sprigs of fresh thyme. We've gotten all the flavor out of our thyme. Now I'm going to ladle my soup right into my blender so we can blend it till it's nice and creamy. It smells so good. Now I'll place it right on top of my blender. Now for the top, I'm gonna remove the center piece because I wanna still allow the steam to escape. I'll put my top on, and then I'll put a towel on top just to prevent any spills. Everything is blended, it's nice and creamy. Now this is my first batch, so I'll pour this into the bowl and I'll do it all over again. All right, I've added all my bisque back into my pot and we're just about ready to serve. Everything is all set. It's time to put our bisque in the bowl, and I'll just ladle it in. Now it's time to garnish. So first I'll add my crispy bacon right on top, and it's gonna give it that delicious smoky flavor. Then on top of my bacon, I'll bring in a couple of these juicy, delicious shrimp right on top of that. And then I'll garnish with a little red bell pepper and a pinch of chives. And we are done. Everything looks amazing and delicious. For this delicious Creole Shrimp and Bacon Bisque recipe, go to cuisinenoirmag.com and tonychachere's.com. Enjoy.